1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone and welcome back to video tutorial 4. In today's video we're going to be learning all about how to play Kaiser Roll from Rock School Drum Grade 1. So if you can't download it, don't worry because it will be up here. But what we're going to do is we're going to break it down, but if you can, go onto Google, search Rock School Drum Grade 1 PDF and then download that drum book, and then you'll be able to have loads of different songs on there to practice, but also you'll be able to get Kaiser Roll up so you can drum along to this video. If not, don't worry, it will be up here, but it's just so it's easier for you to see. So let's break it down. Kaiser Roll is what I just played there, and it is very simple. It is really simple, probably one of the most simplest ones in the Rock School Drum Grade, but we're going to break it down so you can at least try and play your first song. So the first two bars, as you can see, the X's are sitting on top of the line, so that means it's a hi-hat. So let's look, we've only got in this piece crashes, open hi-hats, closed hi-hats, snares and kick drums. We haven't got any toms, which is good. So first two bars from letter A, we can see it's a time signature of 4/4, so it's our 4 beats. And as well, we're going to start from letter A. So the first two bars sound a bit like this. Play along with me and we'll count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Let's go to the second two bars. Sounds a bit like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again we have the same as the first bar, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go to bar 5 and 6. It's exactly the same as the first couple of bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and just repeat it. Okay, let's go underneath that and try and get this consistency flowing. Now it's a bit different. We have 2 kicks on 1 and 2, but we don't have one on 4 this time, so it sounds a bit like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go to the 2 underneath that. As you can see in these 2 bars, we have an open hi-hat. We have 2 open hi-hats actually. So it's exactly the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the 8 we just open the hi-hat. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do that twice. And then we're going to go to the 2 underneath that, and it's exactly the same as the 2 before that. And then it changes a bit and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then we should be up to letter B. So let's play from letter A all the way up to letter B together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, bar 6, bar 12. There we go, we're all the way up to bar B. Now, from letter B, you can see that the hi-hats are not sitting on the top line now, they're sitting on the middle. So they're sitting in between the line. This means we're moving from the hi-hat to the ride. So, everything that we're doing, same rhythm, but we're just moving it from the hi-hat to the ride. And that's going to be our right-handed if we're right-handed. We're playing here, and now we're going to bring it over to here, okay? So let's do bar B and the bar after that. The first beat is a crash, because you can see it's like a little star, okay? So, let's play those 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we should be moving on to the next page. Okay? So, let's do the first 2 bars on the second page. 1, 2, we're still on the ride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We've played them 2. Now we're going to go to the 2 underneath that on the second page. And as you can see, it's a little star again for the first one. So that means we're back on the crash. Just 1, and then we go back onto the ride. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar. So there, we've played all the way up to letter C. So let's try all the way from letter B to letter C together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 2. There we go, we've got it. We've gone all the way up to letter C. Now, from letter C, we go back onto the hi-hat. We're not on the ride anymore. As you can see, it's moved back on top of the line. And as you can also see, it's another little star for the first beat, so it means we're back on the crash. And then we go back onto the hi-hat. And also, in that first bar from letter C, we have an open hi-hat on beat 8. Let's play it. Let's play the first 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's count it together. Let's do them 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, count it like that, or however counting helps you, but make sure you're playing the right things on the right beats, okay? Now, let's go from the 2 bars underneath that. So, 1, 2, 3, we're back on the hi-hats. So what we did there, we played all the way up to the end. So, let's play from C all the way up to the end, and then we'll break those last 3 bars down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there, the last 3 bars, we're back on the crashes, and the first bar is 1, 2, 3, 4. So very simple. Then on bar 2, with the last on the last line, it's 1, wait, 2, wait. Okay. So now we're gonna play the last bar, and then you just play the first beat. So let's play all them that last line together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 6, wait, 7. Okay? Now, we're going to play all the way from the beginning, and hopefully you've kind of know what you're doing now. 1, 2, 3, from the beginning. Wait, 2, wait, 3. Wait. So, hopefully you've learnt how to play a little song now from Rock School Drum Grade 1. If you can't, go back and keep looking at the sections that we broke down. But hopefully, moving on, you'll be able to see what we're going to do in video tutorial 2. Hopefully you've learnt everything